Monitor on my desk shows me pictures, it's the best. Type with fingers nice and light. That's the keyboard, black or white. Click, 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 now move the mouse. It's my buddy in the house. The case is strong, it holds it all. Keeps my computer standing tall. Listen close, enjoy the sound. The speakers make the music loud. Power's out, don't be afraid. The UPS has got a save. If I need my homework nice and clear, the printer makes it all appear. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and case, speakers, UPS and printer in place. Say them loud, don't forget. Computer parts, the coolest set. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and case, speakers, UPS and printer in place. Say them loud, don't forget. Computer parts, the coolest set.